Good morning, children. As we are learning about kinds of nouns, so today let's start with the next kind of nouns, that is countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, so countable nouns. Now countable nouns, as the name itself says, countable. So these are the nouns which can be counted. So what are countable nouns? Nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns. And they are also referred to as what? Count nouns. For example, book, pen, apple, they can be counted. Like we can say one book or two books. Similarly, one pen, two pens, one apple, two apples, etc. And uncountable nouns are those nouns which cannot be counted. So, nouns which cannot be counted are called what? They are called uncountable nouns or uncount nouns. For example, milk, water, sand. You cannot say one milk or two milk. You cannot count it. But you can count glasses of milk, like one glass of milk or two glasses of milk. Same is for water. So, countable nouns can be counted and uncountable nouns cannot be counted. Now open page number 22 of your grammar book. A part. Count and write the number of persons, animals or things in these pictures. So, first, girls. How many girls? 2. 2 girls. How many rabbits? 3 rabbits. 3 rabbits. How many flowers? 4. How many clowns? 3 clowns. Penguins, how many? 4 again. 4 penguins. And apples. How many apples? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 apples. So, girls, rabbits, flowers, clowns, penguins and apples. They all are what? They are countable nouns because we can count them. Now look at the pictures shown here and try to count these. Sugar, milk and water. Can you count them? No, we cannot count sugar, milk or water. So they are what? They are uncountable nouns. So, children, nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns or count nouns. And nouns which cannot be counted are called what? They are called uncountable nouns or uncount nouns. Now let's move to page number 23. So, the question is, write C for countable nouns and U for uncountable nouns. The first one is tea. Can we count tea? No. So it is uncountable. So we'll put a U here. Uncountable noun. Cup. Yes, we can count cups. So it is countable noun. Next, milk. Can we count milk? No. So it is again uncountable. Next, bottle. Yes, we can count bottles. So, countable noun. Bottle is a countable noun. Gold. Gold is also uncountable. Ring. Ring is countable noun. Page. Can we count number of pages? Yes, we can. So it is countable noun. Paper. Paper. Paper is uncountable. Cake. Cake is also uncountable, but we can count pieces of cakes. Next, stone. Stone is countable noun. Chocolate. Chocolate is also uncountable noun, but we can count bars of chocolates. Bar. Bar is a countable noun. Fruit. We can count fruit, so it is countable. Mango. Mango is also a countable noun. Food. Now food is uncountable noun. Sand. Can we count sand? No, we cannot. So it is uncountable noun. Next, grass. Grass is also uncountable. Chair. Yes, we can count chair. So it is countable noun. Butter, uncountable noun. And honey is also uncountable noun. Now let's move further. Exercise D. Fill in the blanks with uncountable nouns, taking clues from the pictures. So you have to fill in the blanks with what? With uncountable nouns, and the pictures are shown to you. So let's start with the first one. A blade of what? A blade of grass. Grass is uncountable noun, but we can say a blade of grass. Salt. Salt is also uncountable, but we can say a pinch of salt. We cannot say one salt or two salt, but we can say a pinch of salt or a spoon of salt. Third, sugar. So here, a spoon of sugar. All these pictures are showing what? They are showing uncountable nouns. Next, a cake of dash. Now, can you identify the picture? What is it? It is soap. So, a cake of soap. Now, we cannot count soap, but we can count cakes of soap. Like here it is 1. So, we have said a cake of soap. Next, a drop of water. Next, a heap of what? A heap of sand. Sand is uncountable, but we can say a heap of sand. A bottle of dash. Now this is what? Milk. Now we cannot say one milk or two milk, but we can say a bottle of milk or a glass of milk. Now this is cake, so we can say a slice of cake. Next, flour. Can we count flour? No, we cannot count flour. But we can say a kilo of flour. Okay, children? Now that's all for today. Thank you.